Hi all, welcome back to T&D Style. I am Rashmi. We will see quarter set collection. Chiffon dupatta wear set collection. If set purchase WhatsApp purchase. First, black print yoke design full thread work. Mirror work highlight yoke. Fronting top length 49 2.5 meter top back sleeve a border attached border. A pure cotton set a beautiful set. Dupatta is a beautiful dupatta. Dupatta is a chiffon dupatta. Dupatta is 4 and cherry lace attached dupatta. Bottom is a pure cotton bottom. Price is 1100 free shipping. Next is a dark maroon. Maroon is a bed print cotton set. Pure cotton soft cotton set. Full bed print front. Top length is 49 2.5 meter top. Top in a back cherry bed print top. Maroon color. Dupatta is chiffon dupatta. Bed print is chiffon dupatta. Multi-color batik print top dupatta bottom is pure cotton bottom. Price is 1100 free shipping. Next is black color multi-color batik print top full batik print multi-color front top in back batik print top top length is 49 2.5 meter top. Dupatta is chiffon batik print multi-color batik print dupatta. Chiffon dupatta. Bottom is black color pure cotton bottom. Price is 1100 free shipping. Next is the quarter set pure cotton set. Yoke pattern lace highlight top in front top 49 top length 2.5 meter. Back print top in the end lace attached. Dupatta is chiffon double shade dupatta dupatta is lace attached 4 and bottom is printed bottom. This bottom is top part stitch. Price is 1100 free shipping. Next is bluish grey color combination. Back is same print. All top 49 length top length 49 top 2.5 meter bottom 2.5 meter. Dupatta is double shade chiffon dupatta. Bottom is printed bottom. Price is 1100 free shipping. Next is the kanda work pure cotton set. Green color green is the kanda stitch. Beautiful kanda stitch. White color print. Top in any light cherry lace attached border lace attached. Back same kanda stitch sleeve dupatta is semi silky dupatta applique work dupatta 4 and cherry border attached top in bottom is pure cotton bottom. Price is 900 free shipping. Next is the Rani pink color. Full kanda stitch same set color change front sleeve attached. Back is same print. Dupatta is semi silky applique work dupatta. Bottom is pure cotton bottom. Price is 900 free shipping. In the set purchase WhatsApp through purchase YouTube video like share subscribe we set Mona collection set videos upload one video upload. Okay, thank you.